Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Carr, and today is Monday, May 11th, and I'm here for your rundown on math. So today we're taking it back, or this week we're going to take it back to decimal multiplying and dividing, or multiplying and dividing with decimals, however you want to say it. So the very first thing that you're going to do today is go ahead and watch this Learn Zillion video. And don't forget, the way that you're going to do that is you're going to sign in as a guest, so down here. And then when it prompts you for your name, you just need an initial, that's it. And then you'll click sign in, okay? And then you can watch the video. Also, the other thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up this anchor chart. And it's going to have you make a copy of it sometime today, hopefully. There it is. And it's just a reminder that you can look at of how to multiply with decimals. So here's multiplying with models, more models, but down here is really what you want to think about. Remember, look at that step one. Think of it as a whole number. Remember, guys, what I told you, you're ignoring the decimal till the very end. And remember, some of you have multiple ways that you do it, whether you're doing it with box method, some of you like partial products, so 527 times 90 and 527 times 3. Okay, if you're doing partial products, or if you're doing it the standard algorithm just like that, that's fine too. But whatever method you choose, remember you're ignoring that decimal to the very end. So this is a good reminder of how to add in that decimal. All right, once you've watched that video and looked at that chart, you have a couple of options here. Don't forget to make a copy there. And then here is the other option. Let's look at them both. Oh, make a copy. I think it's this one. Yes, because this is your anchor chart. And here you go. And so you can be able to, you're probably going to need to zoom in a little bit, I would think, so that you can. No? No. Okay, so you're going to have to insert a text box. So that's what this little T is right here. So you'll insert your text box, and then right there, and then you can type your answer in there. When you're done, you're going to go ahead and click share. You don't have to do all 12. I would say let's just do the top half. So 1, 3, nope, that does not say 1, 3. That says 1, 5, 9, and 2, 6, 10. Ooh, that is tiny. So you might have to enlarge it to see it a little better. But anyways, I would say let's stick with the top half. That should be good enough. I don't think you need to do all 12 problems. Okay, that's the one option. Oh, and don't forget to share it, by the way. Over here, click share. And then you type in your teacher's address and then click all done. Okay, the other option is, this is the other choice, you're not doing both, is these word problems. Okay, and again, I would not do all 12 of them. I would pick one of these pages to do. And same thing, click on that little text box, the little T with the box, and then you can just put it in there and then type in your answer like that. Okay, and when you're done, don't forget to share it just like before. As always, please make sure you're checking your email and your discussion posts regularly, later in the evening or the next morning, to check back for your feedback from your teacher. When you're done with that, you're going to go back into Schoology. I'm not even in the right place, but that's okay. That doesn't matter. You know what to do by now. You're going to go back into Schoology and add a post into the discussion post. Okay, guys? And then that's it for today. You're all set. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please don't forget to utilize this Microsoft Teams. We'd love to hear from you. We're here all week. Anything you need. All right, guys. Bye-bye.